Morning, Festers. Welcome back to another fun day fishing with Fred. Just pulled up to a new lake to me, Hensley Lake, located by like Madera area, a couple hours away from where I live, but first time here, and we're here for my first official kayak tournament. We're fishing with the group Central Valley Kayak Fishing, and they're throwing like a little open tournament for beginners, open team tournament. So signed up and got 2 partners. Never met anyone, don't know anybody in this group, but came out here just to check out the scene and jump in my first tournament. Let's come out here, meet some new people, have some fun, see if we can catch some good ones. But just want to bring you guys along to experience my first tournament, share it with you guys. Main thing, just have some fun, see if we can catch some fish. Let's get it. I thought that was you over there, John. I was like, oh, he's leaving me. Yeah. Here, one of your crankbaits is flying around. Let me get it. Huh? One of your spoons is dangling. You almost fell in?
No, I didn't fucking do it.
The lock on there?
You have signal or no? I checked in because he doesn't have no reception. That's okay. Okay. It'll be alright.
If it says checked in, I'm good?
Huh?
If it says checked in, I'm good?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I've never used this.
Pretend we're like, oh, isn't the right photo or whatever. And you're trying to find the right photo. Like I told John, try to stretch that fish. It helps. As in, just grab a towel.
Yeah, and pinch it.
Just pinch it, whatever.
And like rotate it.
Yep,
yeah.
That's it. And then get your hand off there and put it on.
And just put it on the stomach, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
And don't cover the gill plate.
Okay.
You can't cover the gill, or you can't go past that anal fin.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it, dude.
Yeah. How do you want me to do it? Just tie it to the front or something?
Tie it to the front. Because if I put you right next to me, it's hard for me to move.
Okay.
And if you're right behind me, you're good.
So what it said is I had to sign in, but I forgot the password.
You weren't signed in?
Yeah.
Are you signed in now?
No, because I gotta find Bonnie and she knows my password.
Oh well, you have until 3, so
Yeah.
you're good.
Well, I'll go back there and tie it to that rail.
Yeah.
With the flag on it?
Yep.
Okay. Well, I've never done this one before.
They do to me.
Oh, you got it made. Went all the way around that rock.
If I try to find an anchor, no. I had it. I'm gonna go over there to these rocks and throw this buzzbait real quick. Uh-huh. You're gonna head towards that bank? Okay. Maybe I'll start heading that way too. Got my first one, baby. Hell yeah. Heck yes, dude. Thanks, Bubba. Clean fish, clean fish. I'm shaking right now. Yes. Yes. Take my time. $15. 15, baby. See if we can get some more. Cool. See if the cat's back there. Glad I stayed. I'm glad I tried that worm out because he smashed it. Thanks, man.
I threw that spoon, but
Throw a little baby spoon in there.
see what they do, huh?
Yeah. See if they're in chasing mood or just lazy mood. And I'll back off of you so you can do your thing.
No, it's all good. Stay right there. Is that where I cast it?
Farther?
Like 15 yards further down than me, and like right to the left of me. Right to the left. Oh, he broke off.
Better to do it now than with the fish, huh?
Yeah, that's true. There's bass there, but they're sitting like in 30 feet, but those are the ones that usually don't bite. They're just down there chilling, you know?
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, they're eating the flutter spoon now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got 2 right now on the flutter spoon.
Over there? On the other side?
Huh?
On the other side?
Yeah. You see me? Same spot. Well, over here.
Yeah, you stood up.
Yeah.
All right, maybe I might go over there and mess with the spoon with you.
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
Throwing the sea rig right now.
Fucking, I can't see Johnny anymore though.
I think he's right here next to me.
I don't know if that's him over there by the dam. Way over there.
Does he have Does he have orange paddles?
I don't know.
Is he wearing a green shirt?
He was wearing a gray shirt in the morning, but it was a sweater. No, orange sweater in the morning.
I don't know if this is him or not right next to me.
I don't know. I also had a 3 on the crankbait.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, but there were small ones, like 16.
Better than what I'm doing over here.
Yeah, the bite turned on over here.
Okay. I'm gonna go see if this is him, and then tell him to go. Let's go over there.
All right.
All right. Is that you, John?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess Angel's on him over there. I guess he's catching them on crankbaits and flutter spoons and.
You got a couple of real nice ones, huh?
Yeah, I caught a couple. Nothing after that though.
Might be a little more windy though.
Yeah, that's kind of why I came over here, was get out of the wind. Here, I got that little something for you. Oh. Up to the shallows and
Bring it back.
bring it back kind of slow. I don't know if I want to go all the way over there or not.
Where he's at?
Yeah, I don't think so. It's a little long paddle.
Just throw you back. Wanna go over there?
Yeah. I just came back from over there.
What's that?
I just came from over there.
He's got it. Not bad. Yeah. Hanging on the wall there. I'm like, you got it hanging on the wall, it works. My wife caught one at 12.5, so she gets to hang.
Really?
Make that thing cat?
I wonder if it'd be easier from the other way and work with the wind.
The bad thing is that we can't whoop it back in the wind with the kayaks, you know?
Oh, and it'll make it turn around.
Yeah.
Here.
What works?
No, that's a Norman. Bill Norman. It came off right here at the boat. Little guy.
Yeah?
Easy now. Easy. Hey, it pretty much lines out, huh? John just got his first one, so we got a limit. We got a limit. We got a limit. I think this line's out. 2 o'clock. Oh, yep, line's out. You guys probably can't see. 159. That's it. That's it. Hey, John came through. John came through. He got that buzzer beater. I know. Good job, guys.
Huh?
Good job, guys.
We got a limit.
Yeah.
12 and a half.
Better than nothing.
16 and a half?
Yeah.
16 and a half, 18 and a half, or 12 and a half.
You got 18 and a half?
Yeah.
Hey, do we have to submit them right now or what? Should we? Or no?
27.5. That's what you got.
Not bad, not bad.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah. Let me tie up because my arms are done.
You got a fucking limit.
Fucking buzzer. 7 hours and 59 minutes. Yeah, I'll yeah. Fuck yeah, when he missed that one, I was like, oh damn. And he told him to cast over there. Stupid wind. Alright.
While I was sitting there praying, and I was saying, oh Lord, don't let me be the reason these guys don't.
Nah, dude, I was doing the same thing this morning. Like, oh, don't let me blank on my first little event.
But mainly after that one over there by the buoy, I was like, that was my shot. Freaking at least get it out of the way.
That was a giant, dude.
I'm good.
Go.
Woohoo! Sweet. Whew. Sweet. Yeah.
Fish sticks was not far behind you guys with one fish of 14 and a half inches. So, fish on came in, I think they had 2 fish with 28 inches. So, fish on was 3rd place with 28 inches. And they were 1 inch behind the bank robbers with 29 inches. I like that name, by the way, bank robbers. If we have, maybe next year we should do like a silent vote on best team name and like get like a prize or something.
I didn't even get it until you said it the second time. I was like,
Bank robbers. I like bank robbers. Nice. I like that. All right, and then so the only team that made a limit, which was in here, Team 5. What was the name that you guys picked?
Big Mouth Yackers or something?
I'll have to look at my messages. He's like,
I think it was-
well, I guess I could try and change it.
I think it was
but
Big Mouth
I didn't want to
Yackers.
delete the team and make
something
it
like that.
so Big Mouth Yackers. Big Mouth Yackers? Alright. So the Big Mouth Yackers came in at a whopping 47 and a half inches with the wind. Good job, guys. You guys are gonna go home with 186 bucks each. And then Big Fish. Big Fish, let's see. Runner up for Big Fish. Actually, 3rd place and runner up. Eric Rodriguez, you put up a 16. Good job, dude. Have you ever fished this lake in your life? Ever? Good job, dude. Was that you across? Did you launch across the bay? I see you bouncing around it. I thought that was your break. I thought I saw the Ike out there. All right, and then new to tournament fishing, and with a half inch bigger than Eric's, Mr. Fred Miller came in and landed a 16.5. Good job, Fred. So, for those of you guys who don't know, actually, I've been following Fred's channel since like 2017.
Yeah.
2016. I had a channel at the same time. Actually, I still have it, but I changed the name of it. Mine used to be That Fish Food Guy, and I changed it over to Don Gone Fishing because I was gonna do like a fishing and food thing. Never happened. Never happened. So I like changed it, and then I made a few videos and stopped. Like I started tournament fishing so much, I was like, this is too much. I can't handle the travel, the fishing, and all the editing and everything.
Yeah,
But fishing with Fred.
you film for 8 hours. That's 8 hours of footage you got to go through to edit, man. It's
And
tough.
then I was
It's
using
tough.
like 2 cameras. I was trying to do all fancy angles and stuff. Dude, you try scrubbing through like 16 hours of footage to get like a 10-minute video.
You start learning hand signals to show the camera and stuff.
So yeah. Oh, are you gonna do one for today at all?
Try to, yeah.
All right.
Go through that 8 hour footage and
Even
see
if
if I
it's
can
just
pull something together.
It's just a couple of little birds. That'd be really cool. I know you're not out on Facebook yet, but when you put it out on YouTube, since I follow you, I'll post your video on our group and everything.
Cool. Try to make it. I'll try to make it good. That's gonna happen.
Good, just be yourself, man. I like it. Just keep doing what you've been doing. Pia does his too.
Yeah, it's got taste, so it's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be a tough video to make. Skunk videos are hard to make.
Yeah.
Only Greg Blanchard can pull those off.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to go to In-N-Out or something, dude.
I gotta go trick or treat now,
So yeah, and so last but not least, or best of the best. Once again, Mr. Angel Sanchez makes his way to the top of the leaderboard with an 18.5-inch fish. Dude. Good job, man.